Boom! What is up, y'all? Welcome back to The Perfect Bag. My name's Klint, and we're here for another one-take bag review. Today, we are reviewing this. What is this? If you don't know, this is the Defy Industries Insidious Jr Sling. Now, Defy Industries, overbuilt gear. Like, awesome stuff. They're out of Chicago. They're a great follow, by the way, on Instagram and other social media channels. Like, they definitely have an aesthetic, and they definitely have a point of view on design and on manufacturing and how things should be done properly. Great follow. So, I've been wanting to get my hands on an Insidious Jr for quite a while now, and we're going to give it the perfect bag treatment today. And you know what that means? That means we're going to do a one-take bag review. One straight shot through this sucker. I'm going to speak directly to you, straight from the heart about this bag. We're going to do a walkthrough, full walkthrough, interior and exterior. We're going to get into all the nooks and crannies. And then, at the end of the walkthrough, I'm going to give you two things I love about the bag, two things that I think could be better about this bag, and then an overall recommendation. Who is this the perfect bag for? All right, everybody. Let's get started. On the exterior of this bag, you're going to see that this is, number one, a rectangle. It is a boxy bag, an unapologetically boxy bag. Boxy that way, boxy this way, boxy that way, boxy, boxy, boxy. Now, if you know me, some of you might not, boxy is better. I love boxy. Boxy is better, fits the gear just great, and boxy stands up on its own. Big fan of stands up on its own. All right, the other things you may notice right off the bat about this bag. First off, this thing is black X-Pack. You're right, it is black X-Pack. Now, don't over-index on that, because I know some people love the modern fabrics like X-Pack, some people don't. The good news about this bag and most other things from Defy is that you're going to be able to get this bag either in leather or ballistic nylon or a mixed material or a modern material like this X-Pack, even Dyneema. That's right, Dyneema. And spoiler alert, I may be looking at another bag very soon from Defy Industries, and it just maybe is Dyneema. It'll be the first Dyneema bag on this channel. Super hyped. All right, so, wow. What else is going on the exterior of this bag? First off, we've got AquaGuard zippers everywhere. We've got paracord zipper pulls. We've got little bitty minimal branding right here, says Defy. We've got Molly webbing and seatbelt material across the front. Uneven sizes go from smaller to a really big one in the middle, but attachment points. I've availed myself of the attachment points, if you're wondering what this is, just for a lightning cable. That's from Nuance, and I did a post about it not too long ago. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and on Twitter and Threads and hell, anywhere else you want to. The Perfect Bag YT, the Perfect Bag YT, on those medias. But I did a post on this. This is really a cool device, but hard to find. All right, so X-Pack material, nice grab handle up top. You can select at checkout, if you're buying this directly from Defy, a Mr. Gripper leather handle. They're really nice, like really nice. So you might want to go ahead and chunk down the extra 20 bucks or so, get yourself a Mr. Gripper handle. This nylon handle is good and sturdy, but I did find myself wishing that I had bought that handle. All right. Now, let's talk about the back of this bag. And in particular, not the back of the bag, the strap. The strap is gorgeous. Like, it is a work of art. So, super padded, attachment points, seatbelt material, cool branding, Cobra buckle down here with a quick release. Like, this thing is really, really nice. And then this kind of pull to tighten situation that they have. This is a great strap. they've got this strap on all their slings, and I got to tell you, I think they know how good their strap is, because I just saw a post, again, good follow, but I just saw a post from Defy that said that they're going to start selling their strap just in a way that you can defy all your other bags, I think is how they said it, but so that you can use this strap, which they know is really good, and attach it to just about any bag you have. So thinking outside of the box there, but looking ahead at two things I love about this bag. All right, so I think that's about it on the exterior. You do have a little attachment point here where you can do a stabilizer strap between the side of the bag and the strap. I've taken that off, but yeah, that's about it on the exterior. Time for the interior walkthrough, and in order to do that, meet me at camera number 2. All right, welcome everybody to camera number 2, and I wanted to start the bag upside down this time because I wanted to show you this strap up close and personal. Just a beauty, and as comfortable as it looks. X-Pack, really solid construction, like really solid construction. You can see X-Pack on the back of the bag. Some companies don't do the full X-Pack wrap. They'll do Cordura or ballistic nylon on the back, and then X-Pack on the front. Love to see that they've carried the X-Pack all the way over the bag. Gorgeous bag. And you can see the high quality zippers going on here as well. Nice. I think it's time for us to check out the first pocket, and that's this pocket up front here. It's got 2 zippers. And inside you can start to see we've got a really durable canvas / denim material, like work pants is the best way I can say it, like work overalls. This is really thick fabric, beefy, like kind of Duluth Trading Company fire hose kind of stuff. All right, so you got 2 slip pockets in the front of this bag. I've tossed a wallet in one. I've tossed a pocket knife in one. And then you've got a key fob, not a leash, but a key fob. And I've put my AirPods on that. So really useful front section here, slip pockets, and one big section up front. All right. The only other compartment on this bag is the main compartment. So time for the main event, the main compartment. All right. You get a half zip all the way to the sides, which is very common on slings. And then inside, well, you've got a lot going on. So let's talk about the front first. On the front, you have your admin panel, okay? Over here on the side, I've put my multi-tool. It's a nice sized pocket right here. Then a Sharpie in the pen holder. Then I've put my all-purpose cord and a pair of blue light blocking glasses. Would say interesting, right? There is no specific great place for sunglasses in this bag. No felt lined option, etc. So just know that going in. And then over here, another drop pocket. I've put my little power brick. So 2 drop pockets, a pen holder, and another smaller drop pocket. I've put an umbrella in this bag. I've put my battery backup in this bag. And then look at just how big this is. So you can do a lot with this bag. AirPod Max, no problem, swallows it right up. iPad, no problem. Water bottle, no problem. Umbrella, no problem. Umbrella, charger, AirPods Max, all of it, no problem. So tons of space in this deceptively small little sling. Tons of stuff you can put in this bag. And on the back, what is this? This is a tech sleeve. Boom. And what is in my tech sleeve? An iPad 11 in the Magic Keyboard. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Without the Magic Keyboard, no problem. Drops right in. With the Magic Keyboard, also no problem. Wow. Okay, so that's the interior of the bag. There is no pocket on the back here. And once again, this little pocket up front. All right, there's our full walkthrough, everybody, of this bag. Meet me back at camera number 1. Okay, so you've seen the bag. That's the full walkthrough. What are 2 things that I love about this bag? Well, the first thing that I love about this bag is the strap. Not only is the strap good, but here in a little bit at the end of the video, when I show you what this bag looks like on me, and I know I always look good, but bags don't always look good. I'll look good, and the bag will look good, and the bag will look good on me, and the strap will be comfortable as heck. So, first thing I love about the bag, the strap, and because of the strap, the way the bag rides on your back. Okay? Love that. What's the second thing that I love about this bag? The second thing I love about this bag is the actual size of the bag. So this is a sweet spot of sling for me. It is a sling that carries a tablet comfortably with a case on it. And I have so many slings where the designers, the manufacturers, looked at an iPad and said, let's make sure this fits. What they didn't do is say, let's make sure this fits. And the issue is that a lot of people protect their $500 to $1,000 tablets in cases. So when a bag fits a tablet in a case, then I think you unlock being able to use this for work for a lot of people and a lot of creative types. Okay? Now, what is this not? It's not a 15-inch laptop bag. Okay? So look elsewhere for that. But the size, the shape, again, unapologetic, right? This is a kind of a brutalist bag. If they could have made it out of concrete, maybe they would have. It's kind of a brutalist bag. It is like, okay, we got to fit a tablet? Cool. What shape are the tablets? Cool. Let's do that. I love it. So, great bag, fun to carry, great shape, great size. All of that is on point. And I didn't even mention the build quality on Defy bags is like, boom, like chef's kiss to Defy. Like it is really, really, really overbuilt. It feels like it will last forever. And I don't know exactly how they did it, but construction-wise, it feels like the inner liner of this bag and the X-Pack are one piece of material. I know they're not, but it is so tightly made that the whole thing feels like it is made out of one incredibly complex piece of fabric. Like, I don't know if that's a compliment to seamsters and stresses, but the craftspeople who made this bag, like, it is dope as heck, and it is well built, and it feels great. 2 things that I think could be better about the Insidious Jr from Defy Industries. Well, the first thing that I think could be better, and this is personal preference, I guess, maybe, but if you're going to build a sling kind of around a tablet carry, which, I mean, they may argue that this is more than that this is more than just built around a tablet. I think it's pretty damn great for a tablet. The only thing that I wish they had, because the back padding on this is actually really good, I just wish that there was a zipper right here to give me the option, or even a totally different tech sleeve on the back of this bag. It would have been nice. Like the Metro Monger, as an example, from Green Room 136, has that corduroy tech sleeve on the back of it that you can just slide it in. Because the only problem with the tech sleeve on this bag is this. Watch this. And I promise I'm not just being an ass. Like, you have to move this flap of material back out of the way, and then put your tablet down into the tech sleeve, and then, so it's just a little bit difficult for a full-size device, again, with a case on, to slip into that sleeve. Once it's in there, super tight, super protected, super well-made tech sleeve. Like, no issues with the sleeve itself. But a dedicated tech sleeve on the back of the Sling, a little bit better for me, I think. The second thing about this bag is, and you'll see it here in a second, when you wear this bag like this, like, whap, I just popped my... That's what you get with a one-take bag review. I just popped my microphone off of my head. Okay, so you wear the bag like this, it is great. You sling the bag around like this, and to access things, that's wonderful. Like, it really is wonderful. You got no issue with accessing your Sling. It came around in the right way, and it came around so I could access everything. But as much as I love this actual strap and harness system, wearing the Sling across the front of my body, which is something that I really enjoy doing, is not quite as intuitive or comfortable, because you have to take it off and reverse it. Now, once you do, it's totally fine. But you're making a choice. So it's the same choice you're making with the Metro Runner and Metro Monger from Green Room 136. Do you want a Sling that has an overbuilt strap like this that really, I mean, it feels comfortable as hell to wear all day long, and then you just kind of take it off and reverse it? Or is it really important to you to have a Sling that you can just constantly and dynamically be switching around throughout the day? Because when you do, with this kind of strap construction, it doesn't play that purpose. But if it's not a big deal to you to take the dang thing off and sling it back onto the other shoulder, then no issue. Hope that made sense to you. But as a Sling aficionado, that's a thing that I want to consider in my Slings. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Defy Insidious Jr Sling. There's not a lot of these reviews out there, so I hope you found this one. And I hope that if you're new to the channel, that you subscribe for more awesome sling bag and backpack reviews to the perfect bag. As always, appreciate you watching, appreciate the support, really, totally appreciate it. And we're going to wrap up with a little montage of me wearing this bag, looking really, really good. So let's do this thing.